Sometimes just let it be. A Gautam Buddha story. Once, Gautam Buddha was traveling from one town to another town with a few of his followers. While they were traveling, they happened to pass a lake. They stopped there and Buddha told one of his disciples, "I am thirsty. Please get me some water from that lake." The disciple walked up to that lake. When he reached there, he noticed that some people were washing clothes in the water. And right at that moment, a bullock cart started crossing the lake. As a result, the water became very muddy. The disciple thought, "How can I give this muddy water to Buddha to drink?" So he came back and told Buddha, "The water in there is very muddy. I don't think it is good for drinking." Buddha said, "Don't worry. Let us take a little rest near this tree." After about an hour, again Buddha asked the same disciple to go back to the lake and get him some water to drink. The disciple went back to the lake. This time, he found that the lake had absolutely clear water in it. The mud had settled down and the water above it looked good. So he collected some water in a pot and brought it to Buddha. Buddha looked at the water and then he looked at the disciple and said, "See, you let the water be and the mud settled down on its own. You got clear water. It did not require any effort." It is the same thing with our mind too. When it is disturbed, just let it be. Give it a little time. It will settle down on its own. You don't have to put in any effort to calm it down. We can judge and take best decisions of our life when we stay calm. Everyone looked at Buddha with respect. Today, they got one more very important life lesson. Moral: always stay calm and never take hasty decisions.